doing here?
We have a job.
I thought we were done with that life.
You look at me and tell me you don't miss it.
You know you've never been so right in your life, Steve. So, tell me about the job.
Remember our last one?
Yes.
This one's bigger.
Tell me more.
We have to go in someone's mind, and instead of one idea, we're planting 3. Alright, the first idea we need to plant will be the law of sines. So here's our triangle, and what you do is the law of sines finds like another side or another angle. And what you do is you do sine A over the opposite side equals sine B over the opposite side equals sine C over the opposite side.
So what you're saying is, if you have 3 pieces of information, you can find the 4th.
Yes.
And does each side have to correspond with its opposite angle?
Yes.
I see.
Alright. Second idea will be the law of cosines. Here's our triangle. So here's to find, if we wanted to find A, it'd be A squared equals B squared times C squared minus 2BC sine A. Cosine A.
Now, are you sure you don't add these two?
Thank you, Dewey.
And this is also, you could find this for any side, as long as you have the 2 opposite sides and you are trying to find the 3rd.
Yes, that's what this is.
So this side always corresponds with the angle you are finding the cosine for.
Yes.
I see. Interesting. What if you need to find the angle, but you know the opposite side?
You know all 3 sides?
Yes.
Well, you do, let's say we need to find this one. Cosine A equals A squared minus B squared minus C squared all over negative 2BC. And that'll get you cosine A.
I see.
That'll be the second idea. Third idea is just the area of any triangle. So we have our triangle here, and what you just do is you take 1/2 times CB times sine A, and then you'll get your area. And those are our 3 ideas. So here's an example of law of sines. We have our triangle. We have the angle 60, and across from it is the opposite side is 20. So we have sine of 60 over 20 equals sine of 30, and what we're trying to find is x. So is over x. And then we have, so then we cross multiply, and then, let me just take out my, and that should be 11.547. Alright, with law of cosines, to find this side, we have to put it into the equation. So it'd be x squared equals 100 squared plus 150 squared minus 2 times 100 times 150 times the cosine of 60. And then when we do all that, we also have to remember to square root it, because this is x squared over here. And you should get about 132.8. Yep. 0.9. And then another way to use it would be using 100. If you have all the sides, so you have to set it up. If you're finding this over here, you use the opposite first and do 150 squared minus 200 squared minus 100 squared all over negative 2 times 200 times 100. And then you have to remember to take the inverse cosine of that. And then it should be 46.8 degrees. Okay, for area of a triangle, this one's really easy. You just take 1/2 times the 15 and the 20 times the sine of 90, and it equals 150. Done. Those are all of our ideas.
Alright, Schneebly, we're about to take heavy amounts of gunfire. Are you ready for this?
Are you kidding me? It's what we do.
Let's get him. This is it. We're here. My God. We made it.
Hurry.
There's more coming. We need to do this quick.
Let me plant the ideas. The law of cosines, area of a triangle, and the law of sines. We did it.
You're darn right we did.
Let's get out of here.
I'm sorry, Schneebly, but there's no going back for me.
What?
I'll hold them off while you leave. We had a good run.
What do you say about your best friend? Do you say he likes the rain? Do you say he likes to gaze at the stars for hours? No, you don't say anything, because that's just how he'd like it. Wait. Whose mind were we in?